Pixel 4a has been revealed in an hands-on video, and I'll be sharing all the information with you in this video. Hello friends, my name is Sunil and you're watching A2 Techno. Honestly, when it comes to Pixel devices, either Google leaks them on purpose or they are really bad at keeping secrets. Somehow, we always get plenty of Pixel information way before the device is launched. We saw that with the first Pixel, Pixel 2, Pixel 3, 3a and then Pixel 4. And it's no different in case of Pixel 4a. The Google Pixel 4a has been leaked in an hands-on video that not only shows its design but also its specs. The Pixel 4a live hands-on video was posted by TechnoLike Plus with all its specifications. If we start with the design, then the device is seen with a punch-hole selfie camera in the top left-hand corner of the display. We also get relatively thick bezels around the Pixel 4a. However, the forehead is smaller compared to the rest of the bezels in this phone. The punch hole on the display houses a 8 megapixel selfie shooter with image stabilization included. As for the Pixel 4a display, we have a 5.81-inch OLED display which comes with a resolution of 1080 by 2314. We had many rumors of a 90Hz display on the Pixel 4a, but now it's confirmed that it will have a 60Hz display to keep the price of the device in check. When it comes to the rear of the phone, we see the same square camera bump in the top left hand corner with a single camera along with a LED flash. The camera is a 12 megapixel shooter with image stabilization capable of 4K video recording as well. For security, the Google Pixel 4a has a physical fingerprint scanner on the rear of the phone. And again, this should help in keeping the price of the device low. Having said that, it would have been great if we had got the face unlock, and this looks like a missed opportunity from Google to promote their own hardware. When it comes to the other specs of the Google Pixel 4a, the device has a Snapdragon 730 processor. Though it's not a flagship chip, it is very well capable and is known for being power efficient. The Google Pixel 4a has a 6GB of RAM and 64GB of base storage, as Google has always been seen pushing the users to use their cloud storage services. 6GB of RAM is plenty enough to keep the device running without any hiccups, and is surely plenty more from the previous devices. As for the battery, the Google Pixel 4a will have a 3080 mAh battery. One major surprising aspect of the phone is that it will come with dual SIM support, which may attract more buyers. The phone will be shipped with Android 10, and the phone is available for purchase in Cuba for around $500. But the phone has not officially been launched yet, and this is most likely going to cost less than that. The Google Pixel 4a is set to be announced on the month of May at the Google I/O event. However, there is a possibility that the device may be launched without the event, given the pandemic situation around the world. Earlier leaks also suggested a Pixel 4a XL device, but there has been no further leaks. However, we will keep you updated on this as soon as we hear anything. Honestly, Pixel 4a was supposed to be the hottest device, but after seeing the leaks, it simply fails to impress by its looks. Do let us know what you feel about the device in a comment section. And before going, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.